Rick Sloth presents Real Men of Genius. Real Men of Genius. Today we salute you, Mr. Apple Inventor, inventor of the Apple Guy. Mr. Apple Inventor, inventor of the Apple Guy. You think you can gather a bunch of scrap metal and wire, call it an apple, and sell it to people. Where's my toothpicks? You sought out investors to believe in your idea. I think I can. You even named it Lisa, with its multitasking capabilities. I can do it all. But you didn't stop there. You created something called a Macintosh and nicknamed it iMac. I love apples! Along the way, you ditched the 80s Walkman and introduced the iPod, which is like your very personal portable jukebox. Play number 37! So no more empty cassette cases in the back of your car. You buy all songs on iTunes. Only 99 cents! Then you fused the monitor and keyboard to create the MacBook. Pass me a blowtorch! You make it handy for every student to carry around a computer the size of a 3-subject notebook and called it MacBook Air. Man, this is light! You didn't stop there. You detached the keyboard and fused it right to the monitor and called it an iPad. No, you didn't! I've got to call my friends on this iPhone, which you make it possible to do just about everything except open a bottle of my favorite beverage. Oops, a slight technicality! And now it's ironic that you make it possible to send all info to a cloud where you will spend eternity at. Send it where? A cloud. That's right, I said it, a cloud. So enjoy life in the clouds, as this world would not be what it is if you weren't so dang smart. I'm a genius! Mr. Apple Inventor, inventor of the Apple Guy!